Welcome to SRAM Technical Communication. This video will show you how to properly replace the brake hose for your SRAM road hydraulic disc brakes. You will need the following tools and supplies. Remove the wheel from the bike. Remove the brake pads from the caliper and insert the solid end of the bleed block. Remove the caliper from the bike. Set an oil pan under the caliper and cut the hose. Hold the hose over the oil pan and squeeze the lever to pump out the fluid. Pull the hood cover back, then remove the bar tape. Remove the lever from the handlebar. Pull the hood cover off of the lever. Push the cable out of the lever if it needs to be replaced. Remove the 3 hatch cover screws. Take off the hatch cover. Remove the 4 reservoir cover bolts and remove the reservoir cover. Use a rag to catch any fluid that spills. Remove the banjo bolt and the banjo. Clean the lever with isopropyl alcohol. Install a new O-ring into each side of the new banjo. Apply dot-compatible grease to the O-rings and install the banjo. Make sure the bladder and sealing surfaces are clean and dry, and install the bladder onto the reservoir cover. Put the reservoir cover on. Install the reservoir cover bolts and tighten them in a cross pattern. Put the hatch cover on and install the hatch cover screws. Clean the lever with isopropyl alcohol to prevent the hood cover from slipping when installed on the handlebar. Install the lever according to the user manual instructions. Slide the hose boot off and remove the compression nut. Pull the hose and compression fitting from the caliper. Install the caliper according to the user manual instructions. Route the hose through the frame or hose stops. Make sure to leave a gentle bend in the hose and account for handlebar rotation. Cut the hose. Apply dot-compatible grease to the new hose barb threads, the outside of the new compression fitting, and the compression nut threads. Slide the hose boot and the compression fitting onto the hose. Thread the hose barb into the hose until it is flush. Install the compression fitting onto the hose. Push the hose into the caliper. Keep pushing on the hose and slide the compression nut into the caliper and tighten it. Slide the hose boot into place. Dispose of dot fluid in accordance to local and federal regulations. To complete the hose replacement procedure, you must bleed your brakes before riding. Click one of the links at the end of this video.